Well, hello. This is Victoria Lowe, and I'm back with another video, and this time, two colors. I am gearing up you girls and you guys for Valentine's Day, and I am showcasing two different reds. The first red goes by the name of Phoenix. It is one of my OG colors, but I did tweak it in a way. And the next color is Casablanca. It is this beautiful deep red. It's kind of on the neutral side, but it is so subtle, so sexy. Can be worn in the day or night by anyone. I absolutely love, and I can't wait to share. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game. Let's mix it up.
Alright, lipstick gang. First things first, I'm going in with my world famous base. You can get it from Veryveelobeauty.com, and shortly following, I'm going in with some titanium dioxide. For the exact measurements to this recipe and all future recipes and early access to my videos, join me at Patreon for a small $5 pledge every month. You will have the recipe for the small batch, which is what I'm making, enough to fill 2 bottles, and you will also have the recipe for a large batch. The link to my Patreon will be in the description box below. I appreciate you guys in advance. Next, I'm going in with my FD&C Red number 40 Alum Lake, and I'm just going to toss that into the bowl. And then shortly after that, I'm going to take my rubber spatula and just start sweeping this powdered pigment right into that white that we just created. And just sweep it and making sure that I'm scraping the sides of the bowl. So this is my new trick when creating more vibrant reds. I'm going in with some red 27, aka pink, in addition to the original red 40 that I added in the beginning. And what you can see happening right here is the pink is actually giving this red some nice fiery, vibrant undertones. It is really taking that red from like a dull red to a nice like fire truck red, so to speak. And I am just mixing that in, and I want to show you guys how vibrant it is. To add more to the vibrance, I'm going in with some FD&C Yellow number 5, and I'm just going to sweep that across the bowl. My original Phoenix was vibrant, but I felt like, well, later on what happened was I actually discovered while I was in a class with one of my lipstick besties, shout out to Kim. Kim chose this color and she wanted it to be like a fiery red. So I was like, what if we add pink and red together? Just experimenting, and boy, it just a splash of yellow, and boy did it make an amazing difference. This red is really popping, you see? Now it's time to go in with some Kaolin Clay. This is responsible for allowing our lipsticks to dry when it is exposed to the air. This in combination with my ISO remix, they work so well together. And what I'm doing is I'm just working this Kaolin Clay into our pre-made lipstick, and I am making sure that I scrape the sides of the bowl, and I just want to coat that clay. The goal is to coat that clay as much as possible with lipstick, and then go in with the Isododecane remix. You can grab it from Veryveelobeauty.com and correct the texture. So what's going on right now is just going to go from a paste to a nice creamy liquid consistency, and that is going to be our liquid matte lipstick. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare to fill up my bottle. I am just grabbing a syringe with a pipette on the end of it. I flipped the pipette upside down and I just cut off the tip and I adjusted it and fit it onto the bottom of this syringe. Now, a larger syringe would have been much easier and perhaps better, but I didn't want to waste a syringe. Since I had this small syringe, I felt like it would suffice for this small 5 milliliter bottle that I'm currently filling right now. I'm going to leave a 1-inch space allowance, and then I'm going to make sure, just to make sure that when I put the wand in, it goes in effortlessly. And then I'm just going to move the wand up and down to fill in any gaps. And just like that, we have created our own liquid matte lipstick. I'm trying this beautiful red shade on. It is so fiery, and this is in studio lighting, but I will insert a clip with it in a more realistic lighting. So right now the red is appearing to be lighter, but you will see all of those beautiful undertones once I cut the light off. You see what I mean? So bomb. That is a fiery red. I am living for it. And that is Phoenix. Phoenix is available in wholesale and retail sizes. So this next red that I'll be demonstrating goes by the name of Casablanca. It is so beautiful. So I'm starting off with my world famous lipstick base once again, and you can grab it from my website. I also have a video showing you how to make this base on your own, but yes, Veryveelobeauty.com if you don't know by now. And next, of course, yes, you've guessed it, I'm going in with my white pigment, which is my titanium dioxide. I'm just gonna drop that in there, and then I'm going to sweep that product into the base, and then right after that I'm just going to take my hand mixer and, well, never mind, I'm just going to go at it with my hand mixer. It wasn't that much titanium dioxide. So I'm just going to blend that out really good. And then next I'll be going in with my FD&C Red number 40 Alum Lake. Again, the theme for this video is Valentine's Day, so of course I'm going to be going in heavy with some red. So I'm going in with the Red 40 Alum Lake, and then I'm going to for sure sweep this in with my spatula and then blend it out with my hand mixer. Alright, you guys, I'm going in now with the FD&C Red 27, aka pink. Now to bring some depth, some darkness, some mystery to this color, I'm going to go in with some black oxide and some FD&C Blue number 1 Alum Lake. That is really going to establish those tones that I love about this color. Now I'm going in with some FD&C Red 40 alum lake just to make that red pop a little bit more. Otherwise, this lipstick would look more on the brown side. So I want to make sure that those red tones are very present. So I just went in with some additional Red 40. Now that I'm just about done with the color phase, it's time to make this product matte, and I'm going in with some Kaolin Clay. And then shortly after, once I fold this product in, basically coating all of this clay with the lipstick that we already made, just getting it into that paste consistency that has to happen before the liquid consistency, liquid cream. I am just working that in, and then shortly after I'll be going in with some Isododecane remix. And just like that, we're done. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up this bottle, leaving a 1-inch allowance at the top so that I can stick my wand in with ease. And we have some beautiful lipstick. This is so beautiful. Both of these colors came out wonderful just in time for Valentine's Day. I was so excited to share with you guys. And of course, the first colors that came to mind was something that had to do with red. Casablanca is such a stunning color. It goes so well with my skin. This studio lighting is making the color appear lighter. It is slightly darker. It is a tad darker than this than what it is showing right now, but this color looks so beautiful on my skin. I can wear this color every day. This could be my everyday go-to look, honestly. It is so nice, so subtle, yet it's giving feminine. I love how it came out. Okay, you guys, so if you need some one-on-one attention, if you want to be confident in your lipstick making skills and abilities, I would love to have you as a part of my one-on-one virtual mixology class, where we will mix together. We will have an amazing time with each other. Any questions that you may have, I will be more than willing to answer them and make sure that you are confident in making lipstick once you take this course. I thank you guys in advance for all of your love and support. Thanks for watching. Bye.